So my belief is that this might be the time to go ahead and store your nuts for the winter and kind of get prepared. And also the tech sector. There's a lot of resilience right now in the tech sector. AI is kind of creating the bright spot in the economy with AI kind of coming along and creating all this potential growth. There is a belief that these tech companies are going to keep going up and up and up. But history shows that when that happens, that when one sector is doing really well, then in the next stage of the economy, that sector ends up doing poorly, right? So really what you want to do as an investor, in my view, is you want to look for those areas that are neglected so that when the spotlight gets shined on those areas, you're going to do a little bit better. And so if you want to know sort of some things that are out there, just text the word, pull out your phone, text the word stock to 87948, and I'll send you a list of AI stocks that I like. I'll also send you some other things from the Black Business School. So just text the word stock to 87948. All right, so let's see. Yoshika, one of my favorite people, has a question. She says, do you recommend buying into Nvidia now or after the split? I don't think it matters. What you're referring to, Yashika, is what they call market timing. And when I was in grad school, they just pretty much told us, when we were reading most research papers I read pretty much told me that market timing does not typically work. So rather than stressing yourself out about whether you should do it now or do it later, I think a bigger question is, do you believe Nvidia is going to continue to make more and more money over time? Do you think that they're going to continue to grow financially, or do you think they're going to go flat or south? And if you believe they're going to grow, then it could be a good investment, because typically if a company's revenues and profits grow over, say, a decade-long period, that ends up being a pretty good investment, right? So rather than trying to guess, I would just sort of take what I believe and look at some analyst ratings or whatever, and then just make an investment in that company.